Hello friends, these are the things that you will be needing. This is belt. These are the things that will be needed to do your lunch bag. This is belt, small belt. Then you'll be needing your zip. This is size 5 zip cloth. We call it zip cloth. This is pink color. We have pink, we have black, we have red color, we have blue color. They are of different color, but all this one they are size 5. You can use size 5. You can also use size 7. You can use any of these for your lunch bag and also for your school bag, for any bag. Then we have our zipper cloth, our adjuster, then our zipper pull. Can you see? This is zipper pull. So this is size 5 and size 7. So we have some are size 5 while some are size 7. So when you want to buy, tell them make sure that it's the zip cloth you buy and it's the same number with the zip head. If you buy size 5 zip cloth, make sure that your zip head is also size 5. So this one is size 7. I also have size 5. This one is size 5. So they have design one, they have plain one. So you need that one for school bag, for lunch bag, for any bag. So this is belt. This is a big belt. The other one I first show you is a small belt, but this is a big one. We come in rows. I just have this one. You can also buy in yards. This is like 6 yards or so. You can buy in yards. You can use it as the handle. Then this is leather. We need this all different type of leather. This is black. We have this another color again. This one is for line is warmer for lining, for lunch box. Sorry, we need to lining lunch box. Is water resistant, so that water will not, your food will be warm for a long time. So this is another leather again. This one is for school bag, traveling bag. It's very strong. It's very strong. At least for now they are selling it 4,500 in the market for a yard. So I have 2 yards here. Then we have another leather again. All this leather you can use to make school bag, you can use it to make a lunch bag. This is chair leather. This is chair leather. Can you see? It's not even a leather, it's cloth. This is for chair makers. They use it to make chair, but it's very strong. If you use it to make bag and you pad the bag, it's very strong, so you can use it to make bag. And then we also have another leather here. This one is also chair leather. It's not all chair leather you can use, so there are some chair leather that you can use. It's also chair leather. You can use it to make lunch bag and school bag. So this is another one again. This is plain black too. This is plain black. So we have different type of leather that you can use. So just go to the market and ask. Then this is cartoon character. This is for girls. This is for baby girls. You can also look for the one for baby boys. If you want to make for baby boy, ask for the one for baby boys. They will give you like bag 10, all those ones they will give you. So you need this. It's not compulsory, it's optional. This is foam. You will need your foam. Can you see it? You will need your foam. I use this foam majorly for school bag. You can use it for lunch bag, but I don't really use it for lunch bag because if you wash it, it will pieces. It's not as strong. It's the other one that I use. Let me show you the one I'm using. Can you see this one? Yes, I use this one a lot for my lunch bag. It always lasts. See this one, you can use it. But if you do not see this one, you can use the other one. This white foam, you can use the other one. That other one is sold by, this very white one is sold by Bagmaker. Why this other one is chair people that are selling upholstery material, you will get it there to buy. So you will need your machine oil. This is machine oil. Can you see it? So you need your needle. This is needle. You need your needle like this. Is this one is size 23. You need your thread. You need your thread of different color. This thread now, that red thread is even this green one is twine thread. Is size 3. As for size 3, they have different size. They even have up to like size 7 or size 12. So as for size 3, you will need it. I use this too. And then you need your tape rule. You need your tape rule. You will need your adjust. This is big adjust for their big belt. For the 2-inch belt, you need this. Then you can also use this 2-inch belt. This is, you need it. You need this adjust if you want to do your handle, or you use this plastic cone. Sometimes I use iron. Is this plastic and this iron, they are 2-inch. Sometimes I use plastic. Anyone you like, you can use. Then you need the small one. This one is 1-inch belt. This 1-inch belt. This one is for this belt. So any one you want, you use. You need your scissors. I use one of my scissors to cut foam. This orange color is for foam. Right, the other one is leather scissors. So if you don't have this one, use what you like, what you have. So you need your reeler, your shuttle, your machine plate, the one with the big hole, you need it. So I think that is what you will need. Some people said I should tell them you need cord. If you like, you use cord, because lunch box is always padded. So if you can use cord, it's okay. If you cannot use cord, it will still come out well. You will need your pen to mark. Then you will need your ruler. Can you see it? You will need your ruler. This is your ruler. This is S-square ruler. If you don't have it, you can use stick. Oh, see, if you don't have it, use stick. I used to use stick before I buy this one. See it. Thank you and God bless you.